At Thru Tubing Solutions, we don't just provide downhole motors, we deliver expertise, reliability, and innovation. Our latest offering, the A-10 Downhole Motor, is designed to revolutionize your drilling operations. With extensive field experience, our team knows that each well is unique. We understand the importance of effective communication at every level, ensuring that our solutions meet your specific needs. Our newest model of downhole motors, the A-10, is a game changer, a change maker, a 10 out of 10. The A-10 significantly reduces operational time. It excels in hydraulic efficiency and durability, drilling numerous plugs with reduced pressure drop and improved flow rate, giving you more power to get the job done. The A-10 also provides substantial long-term savings. It's American-made, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability. America. And the A-10 didn't just drop out of the sky. It took extensive thought, design, testing, more thought, design, and more testing. Designed and built by Thru Tubing Solutions engineers, the A-10 benefits from immediate support and custom solutions. Our high-tech facilities and comprehensive tool knowledge ensure continuous improvement and operational integrity. Our efficient processes reduce site days, which means more time for this or this. Thru Tubing Solutions embodies a hands-on approach and a strong internal culture. Our expertise in horizontal welds and plug removal dates back decades, leaving you in the hands of mature, knowledgeable adults like Brandon. Experience faster drill-out times, significant cost savings, and unparalleled reliability. Thru Tubing Solutions, where power meets precision. Contact us today to learn more about the A-10 Downhole Motor.